If you are getting unwanted emails in your Gmail inbox, let me show you how to block these annoying senders right from your mobile device so you can keep your inbox clean and organized. First, open Gmail app on your device. Now find the email from the sender you want to block. Open that email. Once you are inside the email, tap on these three vertical dots in the top right corner of the email. In the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on block. It will see you can see sender's name there. So for example, this email is from Fundrise, so I can see block Fundrise right here, and you have to give it a tap, and that's it. You will no longer receive emails from that sender. If you ever want to unblock them again, just repeat the process. Open the email and there you will see unblock sender. You can give it a tap, and that's how you can unblock them. So that's all for today. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a cleaner inbox. Let me know in the comment section if you need more tips.